Now let's add tags to products. So tags, they don't really help SEO. What they do is they improve your search results in the store and help you have better control over where your products display. If you wanted to display based on tags and so on, and obviously they help your visitors find the products quicker. So the tags can be added by editing each product individually, or by editing the products in bulk, as I showed you in a previous video. So for example, if I wanted to add new tags, I can do it here. So let's add tags such as dog harness, dog collar, heavy duty, nylon harness, and so on. So simply I had to type dog harness here and then click enter. Okay, I added those tags and they stay saved, and you can use them with your next product in the same category. Now make sure to click save.